This is the AI News Flash for July 18th, 12 p.m. UTC. First up, Alibaba's chip unit T-Head has open source Sail, the software stack for its own AI chips, taking direct aim at NVIDIA's dominant CUDA ecosystem. The announcement came on Saturday at the World AI Conference in Shanghai. Sail is the software architecture that powers T-Head's Zhenwu series of AI chips. T-Head says developers can adapt the Sail stack to mainstream AI frameworks in less than 7 days, lowering the barrier to migrating away from NVIDIA hardware. The move follows Huawei's open sourcing of CAN for its Ascend processors last year, and a similar push by more threads. Chinese chipmakers are working together to break CUDA's developer lock-in and boost technological self-sufficiency. Next, OpenAI says it will notify parents with linked accounts when their teen has been kicked off ChatGPT for policy violations involving violence. Alerts will go out when a teen's account is deactivated over violent threats or acts of violence online. OpenAI is also adding study mode access through parental controls and stronger break reminders for extended sessions. The change follows last year's mass shooting in Tumbler Ridge, Canada, where the suspect had used ChatGPT. Canadian authorities criticized OpenAI for not alerting them when it banned the shooter's account, and CEO Sam Altman apologized for the oversight. Just this week, Meta announced parent alerts for teens whose AI chats show signs of suicide risk. Protecting minors has become a shared priority across major AI companies. Third, the U.S. Justice Department has lifted the ban on TikTok for federal government devices. The department determined that the new TikTok entity functions independently of ByteDance and is majority owned by American investors, concluding it no longer poses the security risks that prompted the original prohibition. TikTok was banned on federal devices in 2022. After divest or ban legislation, a deal finalized in January created a joint venture with U.S. investors, including Oracle holding majority control and ByteDance's stake down to roughly 20%. The algorithm has been retrained on U.S. user data, which is protected in Oracle's secure cloud environment. One caveat: individual federal agencies still retain discretion to block TikTok downloads on their devices, so a full return may take time. And finally, Chinese telecom giant ZTE unveiled the Navix Ultra at the World AI Conference in Shanghai, calling it the world's first agentic AI smartphone. According to Bloomberg, the device pulls up ByteDance's popular AI agent Dubao with a voice command or the press of a button, and it marks the first time ZTE has shown a lineup of smartphones co-designed with built-in AI services. ZTE has declared an all-in AI strategy, putting AI phones at the center of its connectivity plus computing framework. The vision of replacing app tapping with conversations with an AI agent is spreading across Chinese manufacturers, and the race to define the smartphone for the AI era is heating up. That's all for this AI News Flash.